Hello guys, to get into cybersecurity you need as a first step a basic knowledge about networking. So CCNA course is very recommended for you and you can practice a network simulator like Packet Tracer. And the second place you need a hand-on programming language, so I suggest for you C and C++ are compiled programming language. Python, one of the most used language by security professional. PHP and GS are also the most used language in web application development. As a third step is very important to have a good skills in system administration. For example, Linux, you need a basic knowledge about scripting, shell scripting, user service, and application management. The same thing for Windows system with a good PowerShell experience. The last step is cybersecurity management, so a knowledge about ISO 27001 standard for information security system management and PCI DSS standard for organization that handle branded credit card is very appreciated. And don't forget that skills are needed more than certification. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.